I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. So, in the next session of this Fortran programs, we will see how to use some mathematical functions. So, here I have taken one mathematical expression, that is a cos x plus b cos square x plus c cos qx. So, we will try to write a code evaluating the same expression. So here is the code in front of you, and here we have started the program with trigonometric function, and we want the variable here as real, and the variables here are a b c x and the result of that expression. So here we want to enter that numbers, like those numbers a b c and x, and the result we want to define as this expression, like the expression here is a cos x plus b cos square x and c cos qx. So next we want to print the result. So this is how we can write our simple code while evaluating some expressions using the mathematical functions. So let's try to write this. So here I am going to write gedit trig.f90, and I'm here with my editor. So I'm going to write the program. So the program I'm going to start as trig, and next is implicit non, and next we can define our variable, and here the variable that I am defining will be in real data type. So real, and we will define a b c x and the expression that I am writing expression here. So next we want to read the same variable. So read it as a b c x. So before read we can give a print statement, so that it will be easier to for the user to read. So print star comma, so read the values of a b c and x. So fine, next we can write the expression. So next is our expression. So expression is equal to a into cos x plus b into cos x, then the square of it, then c into cos of x, then the cube of that. So this is our expression. Okay, next we want to print star comma result is equal to that expression. So okay, so fine, next we will end our program. So program name is trig. So fine, next part is to save this. So save, I have saved this, and let me check it before everything is okay or not. Okay, expression, okay, fine. So let's try to execute this, and here g Fortran trig pen o, then trig. So there is something syntax error. Let's see this vi trig.f90. So what is the error here? That in case of real, Yeah, ABC and X is real. Okay, fine. So what is the error here? Okay, instead of read what I have written, so this is star, read star comma. Yeah, now it will be okay, I think. Escape. Fine. So let's do the same. Yeah, now it's executed. So trig I'm editing. Yeah. Now enter the value of x. So suppose I'm giving any value, so 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So the result of that expression is now this one. So this way you will, if you will do and do practice of this code, so this way you can also write. And here also you can see that I made this mistake and it returned me this with this syntax error. So this way you can try. So thank you, and this much for today. And next we will see some further expressions and further codes regarding this. So thank you all.